square root. And these 14 marks are there, 2 marks for part list. So 12 marks means 12 divided by 3, 4 marks for each. So 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2 and 2 plus 2. Now in this problem, further it is given that prepare a part list. So how to prepare a part list of given case? So for that, make a table like this: part list, serial number, name, material and quantity. This is a common type of part list which is used in industry nowadays. So first serial number is number 1, name of component is gib, and material is mild steel, and quantity is 1. 1 gib is there in the given assembly. Number 2 is quarter, material is mild steel, and number of quarters are there in the assembly is 1. Quantity is 1. Number 3 is strap, material is mild steel, 1. Number 4 is square rod, material is mild steel and quantity is 1. So 4 figures are there, 3 figures are there. Each 3 figures takes 4 marks, 3 into 4 12 marks, but plus 2 marks for this part list. It's very easy to prepare this part list if you know the name of the components. Material you can write anything. Generally MS is used in the preparing in the making these parts, but sometimes aluminum or cast iron may be used. And quantity is generally 1 in all the cases, but in some cases, for example in flange couplings, number of bolts, number of nuts may vary. They may be 4, 6 or 8. Rest all components would be unique or single. Now next question, question number 5a. Write AutoCAD program to draw this figure. In this problem, it is asked for 7 marks. The figure is given like this, and we have to write the AutoCAD program with the help of which we can redraw this figure. So for that, first let me revise some basic concepts regarding AutoCAD. In AutoCAD, here only one command would be, one draw command would be useful, that is line command, and second is dimensioning. With the help of line command only we can draw all these both these two views. In a line command we know 2 methods are there to draw the lines. One is relative method, another is absolute method. Here generally we will use relative method to draw the drawing. So for that, first let me assume this axis. Here say here is y axis and here is x axis. So in y axis the points are there. Here is 0 0, here is x axis 0, y axis 50. So assume that this distance is 20 mm. So here 70, unit of y is 70, here 70 plus 25. So on this line value of x would be 0, and on this line value of y would be 0. That is our presumptions while we draw this component. Now to draw the component in AutoCAD, we start from here. Let me pick up this point. So we start drawing from this point. Command prompt is there. In command prompt we have to write line first, LINE, and then enter. If we write line and enter, the next prompt would be like this: specify first point. So we have to specify first point. In our drawing we assume that here y axis is there, here x axis is there. So this point would have coordinate 0 0. So we have specified first point as 0 0. So this is our first point. Now enter this, then the prompt will appear like this: specify next point or undo. So we have specified next point as 50 angle 0. It represents 850. 850 means at a distance of 50 mm from this first point at an angle of 0, at a 0 degree. So it will draw this line from here to here, a horizontal line with length 50 mm at an angle of 0 degree. So this line would be drawn by this command. If we enter this, it will ask second question, second prompt: specify next point. So till now we have drawn from here to here. Now from here to here, to draw this vertical line, the length of this line is 50 mm, which is at an angle of 90 degree with the reference with the first line. So right here at 50 at an angle of 90 degree and enter. This symbol represents enter. If we enter, again the prompt will appear like this: specify next point or close or undo. So 50, from here we want to draw this line. The length of this line is 50 mm and this is at an angle of 180 degree with the first line. So here 50 at an angle of 180 we'll draw this line like this. So we have drawn this 1, 2 and 3 lines like this. Here instead of writing 180 degree we can write 0 degree also, but in that case we have to insert the dimension in negative, means minus 50 at an angle of 0 degree, that also would draw the similar line. So both is having similar meaning. Enter over here. Then second would be this: specify next point. So from here we have to specify next point, which is at a distance of 50 mm from here. So the distance is 50 mm at an angle of 270 degree. So it will draw this line. 270 degree means this line. So it considers angle from this reference line. From here 0, 90, 180, 270 and 360. So if we enter here, specify next point, you put just escape. So it will draw the square of 50 mm as shown over here. So till now we have drawn just this square. After that, after drawing this square, let me draw this line. To draw this line, again we use command line and enter. Specify first point. So we start from here. The coordinate of this point would be 10 mm on x-axis, 0 mm on y-axis. The absolute coordinate are 10 and 0. Enter. Then specify next point. Here this length is 50 mm at an angle of 90 degree. So at 50 at an angle of 90 degree, draw vertical line. So here it will draw vertical line by this command. Enter and specify next point, escape. So this will draw just this line. So we have drawn this line also. Now to draw this line, similar command to be used. Enter, command line, enter and specify first point. Here we want to draw this line. So its first point would be here and the coordinate of this first point is 40 on x-axis and 0 mm on y-axis. So 40 and 0 means this point is the first point of this line, and second point would be at a distance of 50 mm at an angle of 90 degree. So specify second point like this at 50 at an angle of 90 degree and enter. So it will draw this line also and then specify next point, escape. So by these two taps it will draw this line and this line. So till now we have drawn this view square with these two lines. Now what should we do to draw this component? So for that, let me start with the same command, line command, and we assume that we start from this point. So to start the line command, first we have to specify the first point. Now what should be the coordinate of this point? Of course this is on y-axis. So here value of x coordinate would be 0 and y coordinate would be 50 plus this distance. We assume that this distance is 20 mm. So 50 plus 20, 70. Hence the first point coordinate should be 0 and 70. So we have picked up this point, or this is the first point of our line. Now from this point draw a line like this. If you want to draw this vertical line, write command like this, specify next point or undo at an angle of 90 degree at 25 mm. If we write 8 means it will consider first point as a reference point. Hence from this point we have to draw a line segment of length 25 mm and which makes an angle of 90 degree with the reference. So from here it will draw this vertical line. After drawing this vertical line, we have to draw this horizontal line. So for that again we give specify next point at 10, the unit is 10 mm at a distance of 0 mm, 0 degree. This angle is, so 0 degree means it will draw line in this direction, 0 to 10, 10 at an angle of 0. Now if you want to draw this line, what should we do? Because here this till now we have drawn up to this point. So our line command, our whatever point we will give in the next command, that will be joined with this point. So for that, let me find out the coordinate of this point. Now what should be the coordinate of this point? This point, as this angle is 90 degree, the total width is 50, so 50 minus 10 minus 10, so remaining width is 30 mm, and this angle is 90 degree, so 30 by 2 means 15 mm. This width would be 15 mm and this height would also be 15 mm. So if we make this point as a reference, 15 mm on x direction and 15 mm on negative y direction, not positive y. So plus 15 on x direction and minus 15 on y direction would give us this point. So enter command like this, specify next point or close undo at an angle of 15 and minus 50. It represents that we have taken this point as a reference at 15 minus 50. So till now we have drawn figure up to this point. Now from this point we have to draw this line. Now to draw this line again we need to find out the coordinate of this point. What do you say about this point's coordinates with respect to this point? So 15 mm on x axis or in x direction and 15 mm movement in y direction. That will give us the position of this point. So we have to enter the next point like this, specify next point at 15, 15, both are positive. So it will draw this line. Now to draw this line, remaining 10 mm again at 10 at an angle of 0 degree. So up to this point we have drawn our solid. Now from this point to draw this vertical line, what should be the length of this line? That is 25 mm and at which angle? And this angle would be 270 degree. So write it like this, at 25 at an angle of 270 degree. If you want to write 0 degree or 90 degree, then 25 mm should be inserted in negative. So minus 25 at an angle of 90 degree will also draw the same line. Up till now we have drawn. Now we want to draw this line. So for that you can use this also. Just to enter C means close. Close means it will join this point with the first point. This was the first point. If we enter C, this point will join with C. Now last, we will insert the dimensions in this figure. So dim command is used. First insert dimension on 50 mm line AB. AB is the 50 mm line. How to write insert the dimension? For that dim linear command is used. Specify the first extension line. Origin means click over here at point A on line segment AB. Then second would be click on B on line segment AB. Click on left side of the AB. And hence dim dimension text 50 would inserted over here. This dimension would be visible, can be drawn, inserted in AutoCAD like this. Similarly, 25 mm line CD could be drawn in this drawing by this command, dim linear. Click on C, on CD at C, then click on CD at D, click on left side of CD and it will insert the dimension of 25 mm to the left side of CD somewhere here. Similarly, we can insert this 10 mm dimension with this command like this, and this 10 mm command, this 10 mm dimension with this command like this. And similarly, angle 90 degree. How to insert the angle of 90 degree in this command? So for that use dim angular command. Dim angular means angular dimension is there. So for that click, select the line, this line, select another line. After clicking this, click over here and this dimension, that is 90 degree, will be inserted in this drawing. And the last is the dimension 50 mm line CE. To insert 50 mm on line CE, click on C, use command dim linear, click here at point C, click on E, and then click on upper side of C, and that will give the dimension of 50 mm on this figure. So in examination you have to write all these steps. Of course you can, it's not needed to write all these statements, just the whichever portion is darkened over here, that is compulsory to write in the examination, like this. In all the problems, in all the commands, what we did earlier, whichever portion is darkened, that is done by us. Rest all are done by computer itself. So we have to remember this portion only and line command only. And this question carries 7 marks. So 2 marks for each segment, 2 marks for drawing this view, 2 marks for this view, and 2 marks for each dimensions. So thank you very much for having patience. And the next time we will continue with the solution of more questions of the same question paper. This question paper is still not completed. Few questions are remaining with us that we will discuss in the next coming session. Thank you. Thanks to all.